Alright guys, we're in Concord today. We're starting up a little woodland garden. This is the shady side of the house, so we're just trying to dress it up. Before there was nothing here, just some scraggly grass. We had already stripped the grass out and realized we didn't make a video yet. So what we're doing right now is we're setting up kind of a bit of a curving stepping stone path, and we're playing with the sight lines right now. That's why we like to do a lot of design, especially this type of work in the field, is we're setting up, trying to create more of a visual guide as you come through. We don't want you staring right at that air conditioning unit there. So what we're trying to do is figure out how to come into the door and make it all work. So this will be all stepping stones. We're gonna have some bollard lights. Because this is a dark corner of the yard, we're trying to dress it up with a little bit of light, especially towards dusk. And yeah, path to the door, lots of shade plants all around. Stepping stones here, and then the reason this is cut against the grass like this is because this is going to be a cedar fence that goes in with the gate right here, 2 granite posts. Should look really cool. We'll show it to you in a couple weeks. All right, we're back at our Concord project. As you can see, curving walkway has appeared. So what we do, large format granite. These started as 10 by 5 slabs. We cut them down to approximately like 4.5. Gave us a nice curve. You can see that we templated the outside of the curl so that even though these look like rustic steppers, they're just a little bit elevated, a little bit more formal than that. Our signature planting surround, lots of shade, perennials in this one. This is the shady side of the house. Due to that, we created some custom bollard lights. So we core drilled in some nice Fx Luminaire lights. I think that's one of the cooler touches on this one. We created these bollards. Whole bunch of just custom stuff on this one. Even though it's a small garden, it makes a big impact. Some granite posts. This is our cedar fence. And as everything grows in, this mulch will disappear and it'll just be absolutely beautiful in here. Perfect little walkthrough to the rest of the backyard. Check us out, Roots and Rocks Inc.